Hi, Dave here down at the allotment. Today we're going to clear the shed out and try and see what we can do with the floor, because it's all rickety rackety. So they're down there at the moment starting to clear it. So we'll go down, have a look, show you what we're going to do, and then we'll come back if we get it sorted. If not, then we'll give a quick tour of what we've done. So what we're doing is we're clearing the shed because the floor on this side's knackered. We don't think there's any joists underneath holding it up properly. So we're gonna lift that and see what we can do about putting joists in, and then see what wood we've got to put a new floor, put down to make the floor better. Then I need to get some silicone sealer, fill all these gaps in, and we're just going to try and make as much use of this shed as we can. So at the moment we're painting everything over there, so I'll let you know when we progress a bit more. Okay, this is what we're trying to do with the shed. We've literally run out of timber, bits of wood and here, so we're trying to just for this middle part, and that drops down that side, but that's where the wheelbarrows go. But the floor is totally knackered. We're just trying to make it a bit secure for it to walk on. So putting all types of bits of wood in just to this middle section so we can walk on it. And that section's already new. That section just wants nailing down. As we're pulling a pallet at the back, which was my idea. We didn't have another pallet to put in. If I had, we could have put two in, but it's now just trying to do something with this middle section. So, right, we're going to have a break and then we'll come back later. Higgledy-piggledy shed has a higgledy-piggledy floor. Basically, the shed's rotten. It's eventually going to have to come down, but we just need something to put stuff in to keep it going. So we've used what scrap bits of wood run because the floor was friggin' bloody. You were putting your foot through it, so we just sort of secured it a bit so I can stand on it without it. It moves, but the whole shed's gonna friggin' fall down soon. But I ain't got the money to buy a new shed, so probably need two new sheds, not one. So it's Rob bouncing about and doing stuff today. Right, well, all we're going to do now is put everything back in, and look at how it's dropped over there. They were close together there. That shed's dropped, that post's dropped. So, right.
I was going to try and get a nail out.
That's it. Right, there's a quick look at what we're allotment. We'll get everything back in the shed, all this back in, and I'll say goodbye from DRD allotments, and probably do a video if we're down tomorrow. I'll do a video. So I'll not actually sign off properly yet, because if I do another video I'll put it out at the end of the week. So hopefully see you tomorrow. Hi everybody, Dave here from DOD Allotments. What we're doing is we're moving this muck, but we're filling these tubs up. So it's now Friday down the allotment. So the rackety shed you seen we get done the other day, now we're sort of moving back into doing some gardening. So I'll keep you up to date. I see down here it's starting to look thingy. I see we've got black stuff to go do over here, but still some leveling it off today. So catch you soon. Okay, we've leveled this off as best we can, and we'll put this, it's like a temporary pathway. It's just so that we're not slipping as we're coming in. It's roof and stuff. It's been used on there. It'll eventually give way, but at the moment it's giving me something to walk on, not slipping. And we'll get my boot, because we're coming with our shoes, so we're not getting my shoes as dirty walking on clads. So we're still working on there as well. And it might be flipping cloudy out here, but it's bloody warm. So we'll see what else we're going to do, and I'll come back later and sign off. Hi, it's Dave from DOD Allotments. We've done what we can on there for now, too tiring. We've flattened that out and we'll put that down for now. I'll take you down this way. Going for a walk. The polytunnel's getting taken down. We're going to put that up there, and it's going to be a wash shed. So we've cleared the polytunnel out. We've put everything back in the rackety shed for now. Didn't look at that. So that's me. So it's on the way out, this polytunnel. It needs a new cover, but we're going to use it for up there until that. And I want to put a new polytunnel here, a bigger one. So give you a shot up there. Got the beds. The beds are sort of ready. Or I put some straw around the rhubarb. We now just need to sort of come back into this area, tidy up. Probably when we're next down, we'll move the tunnel, and we've got that top bed there. 1, 2, 3, 4th one up. That's got to be. I've got a metal bed. We're going to replace that with a metal bed. That's going to be getting shifted around there because it's knackered. But it's decent wood on it, so we might need the wood later on. So, or we may turn it into a smaller bed. We haven't decided yet. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time we're down and see what more work we're getting progressed. I don't go back to work next Friday, but I'm busy next week. I've got to go to the hospital the Tuesday, so that's one day that I'm going to be out, not be down here. So catch you later. So DOD Allotment signing off. Bye for now.